Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Kaylee. Today I'm not going to be singing, I'm just going to tell you what I did yesterday. So yesterday, as you can see, I got a haircut. I really like it because my bangs are a lot better and my hair is a lot shorter. And yesterday was my birthday. I got to see my mom. I'm now 12. So I hope you guys like my other videos. I hope you like my haircut. I really like it. So yeah, that's really what I did yesterday. I saw my friend and I am in my new house. I mean, it's not completely new. All my other videos, you see me in my room back there or at my other house, which is where I'm in sort of like this brown area thing. So, yeah. Anyways, I just thought I might show you my new haircut. It was my birthday yesterday, and today is my great grandmother's birthday. Best thing about yesterday was I got to be with my mom. So yeah, that was really cool. So yeah, things are really short.